Hey everyone, welcome to PeerPower Learning. I'm Osinachi and with me here is
Udeme.
Today we'll be treating an exciting topic in maths titled Introduction to Place Values. Have you ever heard a huge number like a news report mentioning a trillion naira and wondered how people keep count of all those zeros? Well, today we're going to be unlocking the secrets to reading and counting those supersized whole numbers. Our goal is simple. By the end of this video, you'll be able to count and write out large numbers like millions, billions, and trillions. Let's start with the basics. We all know that numbers are formed from the digits or numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when we put them together, their place value explodes.
Check out these major steps in place value. 1,000, that's a 1 with 3 zeros. 1 million, that's a 1 with 6 zeros. 1 billion, that's a 1 with 9 zeros. 1 trillion, that's a 1 with 12 zeros. We are dealing with big size here.
The golden rule is grouping in threes. The key to reading and writing those large numbers is grouping in threes. We always group in threes, starting from the right-hand side. Let's take an example. This is a huge number, right? So let's group it. So let's take note of the group now. We have 4 groups. What place value does this fall under? Let's see. Group 1, Group 2 is thousands. Group 3 is millions. Group 4 is billions. So this is a trick. If you want to find the place value for any digit, you follow this. And of course, if we have a group 5, that will be known as trillion, and so on and so forth. So now we have 4 groups and 4 falls under billion. So this is billion. If we want to pronounce it, we pronounce the digits and then the place value. So we say 75 billion 800 million. This zero is insignificant, so we don't need to pronounce it. We can just call it 74. So that is 74,890.
Now we can read them. Once grouped, you simply read the number in each set of 3 and then say the name of the place value that follows the gap.
Let's move from writing in figures to writing in words using this large number. So 1, 2, 3, we group. 1, 2, 3, group. 1, 2, 3, we group. 1, 2, 3, we group. And this one is a group on its own. Count the group. 5 groups. So that means we are dealing in trillions. To write it in words, the first group, which is in trillion, we write 121. Then we call the group, which is trillion. The next group, which is billions, we write it out 211 billion. The next group is millions, so we write 112 million. Then for thousand, we write 102,000. And lastly, we just write and 13.
Sometimes you see large numbers written in a mixture of digits and words. These are normally seen on newspaper or news reports. Some examples are 1 trillion naira and 2.5 trillion naira. To expand 2.5 trillion naira, we multiply it by the place value. That should be 2.5 times 1 trillion, which gives us 2,500 billion. Another example is 8 1.5 billion naira. We also multiply it by the place value, which is billion, and if we multiply it, it gives us 8,500,000,000.
Whether you are reading, counting, or writing numbers, always remember the major place values: hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions.
And don't forget the golden rule: grouping digits in threes starting from the right is the easiest way to read these massive numbers.
Thanks for watching. Now go and practice reading and writing some large numbers.